Hello everyone, I'm recording this on my phone, but it is humid out here. It's not even really that hot, it's 82. And it was 81 like 15 minutes ago. So it's warming up fast, and it feels like you cut the air with a knife, I swear. And check up on the drought. Getting worse. Hopefully this fixes it. We're under a severe thunderstorm watch. And there's a tornado watch south of us quite a ways. So we'll see what happens there. There's Thena playing with a stick. Thena. There she is. Yeah. See what happens. People arguing over there. Like every day. We're back. Looks like it died over there. The part of the storm that's headed directly for us. That part's just gonna skim us. But you can hear it. I'm gonna keep it secluded back here from now on. You can hear a slight rumbling noise over there. Humid as ever. Check back with you in a little bit. Hopefully this will be the last cut. That's yikes. That's scary looking. Real life it looks taller almost than on the camera. It looks way higher up there. It's because like you can see depth perception better in real life than on this thing. Let's see this. Oh, you're out of frame, that's fine. It just looks like the edge. Oh. Look at that. Sorry, I got your face in it. Oh well. Alright. Breezy. Oh my lord. My footage of that storm, you can see it's raining. That's 3 miles away right there. That's a downpour. Stand back a bit. Yeah, that's pretty terrifying. God, it's windy. Oh, just, huh? Yeah. Let's get home. See you back at home. Back. Good God. There's stuff flying. There's my chair I have. Botched setup, and there's wasps right there, so. There's a low chance for tornadoes though, so who knows? That basically just means who knows. Drove out of the parking lot at the park. Someone made a dust devil that was pretty big. It lasted about 3 seconds though. Wish I got that on camera after someone drove by. drove, not drove. Oh my god. That's crazy. God. Hey, I'm ready for this drought to be over. Ooh, flash. Oh God. Oops. This chair's broken. What is going on over there? That bug. I mean, they said damaging winds. Ooh. There's a little dust devil right there. I was pointing up above it, dang it. But my mom, ow. But my mom got the groceries in. There's a possibility for hail too. We're in a 30% hatched. Oh, God. Chill, yeah. Ooh. I might not get many lightning strikes, but we're definitely gonna get flashes. This is a storms-based channel, not lightning. You know, lightning's pretty much my favorite thing besides tornadoes. What is that noise? Oh, God. Ah. Someone's speeding on their motorcycle. Oh my God. I'm gonna open this. I just missed a lightning strike. God, can't breathe. Uh-oh. I think that's hail. What the? Oh, God. Okay, chair, I'm gonna need you to get out of the way. Oh, my Lord. Help! Scared me. Hey, it doesn't feel like it's 90 degrees anymore. Oh my God. We really needed this. I can tell you that, we really needed this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh God. Oops. Whee! Hey! Oh my God, it won't stop. What the? Someone turned on the lights. Oh, yep, that's hail. A little ice. A little bit of ice. Ow, yeah, you hear that? It's hail. Give me the hail, please. Give me it. Man, you can see it's bouncing. So there's definitely hail. Yep. Yep. Ah! Bad looking. Lightning's all off that, all off that way. I can't talk. Sure, the lightning's right above us. This thing probably has water damage by now. There we go. Okay, it's calming down. Yeah! Finally! 2 months. 2 months. It took this summer 2 months. Oh, technically it's still spring, but no, it's summer. It took 2 months for it to finally fix itself up. God dang. Happy Sunday. I just hurt my finger really bad. Man! Oh God, that's gonna be loud. Ow. That one rattled my chest. Yep, that meant fatal lightning. Boy, did they mean it. I think I just saw it's flashing every 3 seconds. Can't believe that, man. Short but awesome video. Actually, I don't know, because I have a bunch of them I need to link together. What the? Uh-oh. What is going on over there? Someone's car's having a heart attack. It's still raining. Who's that? Ooh. Truck, come on. I need a wide angle lens. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. And the lightning's still going. I don't know if I'm gonna keep going much longer. Put this chair away. It's only sprinkling now. That's good. Don't even need the hose no more. Wow. I gotta stand close to this so I don't get struck. I'm really scared getting struck by something. I'm keeping low. A low profile. I should probably turn back. That's what I'm doing. Well, I guess that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next storm video. Whenever that is. Later, guys.